In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Confluence for knowledge management. By the end, you'll have a clean space, clear landing pages, consistent metadata, and a simple process for archiving outdated content. First, log into your Confluence account so you're on the home screen. At the top of the page, click the Create button and choose Space. Give your space a meaningful name such as Knowledge Documentation so people recognize its purpose right away. When prompted for the space type, select Knowledge Base. Click Next, review the available features, and select the ones you want to include. You can usually enable or tweak these later, so don't get stuck here. Choose what supports your team's workflow, then click Create. Now set up the structure that keeps content easy to navigate. Create the category called Landing Pages to hold your top-level entry points. Click Create at the top again and choose Page. Title your first landing page clearly, something like 01. People and Ops works well because the numbering helps with ordering. In the body of the page, type // and begin typing children, then select the children display macro. This automatically lists any subpages you add under this page, so your landing page remains up to date without manual maintenance. Publish the page and repeat the process for your other top-level categories such as 02, Technology, and 03, Finance. The result is a simple, scalable hub where each category page shows its related content at a glance. To make each page more informative and consistent, use the Page Properties macro at the top of your pages, add the macro, then insert a 2-column table inside it for metadata your team will actually use. Add rows for owner, where you mention the responsible person, last reviewed, where you add a date, category such as security or finance, and status, such as verified or outdated. Keeping this format consistent across pages makes reporting and maintenance much easier, and it gives readers quick context before they dive in. Finally, set up a lightweight archiving method without paid plugins. Create a subpage called Archive or Graveyard inside your space. When a page becomes outdated, move it there. On each archive page, add a note or warning macro at the top with the message, "This page is obsolete. Refer to link for the new process." Replace the placeholder with the correct link so users land on the most current version. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.